Hey, it's Peter Beatty, and I wanted to make a quick video to first of all say thanks for helping me make PLR Video Smackdown version 3 a #2 top seller in JVZoo yesterday when we went live. So I just want to say thank you to all who have purchased so far. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to see how you guys use the videos to help sell your offline services to clients. Now, the reason why I wanted to make this video is not just to talk about being a #2 top seller yesterday. I did want to say thanks for helping me do that, but the reason why I wanted to make this video is because yesterday before I launched PLR Video Smackdown version 3, I held a pre-launch webinar where I revealed a few different tips on how to use PLR videos to promote your services to offline clients. And this is the actual presentation that I used, or part of it. And I didn't get a chance to record that webinar. I actually completely forgot to record it, so I wanted to basically go over the different tips that I gave away in that webinar in this video for you here today. But before we go ahead and do that, I want to quickly just go over PLR Video Smackdown version 3 for those of you who have not picked it up yet, and basically give you a look inside the members area and talk about exactly what you're going to be getting with this offer. And then I'm going to reveal some of the ways that I've used PLR videos to get clients in the past. So, first of all, this is the WSO for PLR Video Smackdown version 3. Go ahead and give the sales letter a read. Watch the video I made there if you want to. But more importantly, what I want to talk about is the product itself. It comes with 5 different ready-to-use, done-for-you explainer videos, basically, that can help you pitch 5 different services to your offline clients. You've got a video on mobile web design. You've got a video on Facebook page services, a video on email marketing and newsletter setup, a video on SEO services, and a video that promotes video marketing services. So all of these videos are generic in nature, so they can be ready to use in your business right now, or you can easily customize them to use your own business branding and use them however you want in your business. So the videos come with full PLR rights. You get all the source files, so you can change them however you want. They come in both US and UK voiceovers, so you actually get 2 versions of each video. So for those of you in the US and those of you in the UK, you can use the videos as they are. You can obviously remove the voiceovers if you don't want to use them and upload your own. And I show exactly how to do this in the members area with the tutorial videos. So just to take a closer look at the videos here, they've got cartoon characters in them. We use various different stock video clips throughout, and they've got some animations in them. And I think they're some of the best explainer videos I've created to date. And I know your clients are going to love them, and I know you're going to love them as well. So when you buy this offer today, again at a very fair price, you get all 5 videos and 2 different voiceovers along with all source files, and you're good to go. Now, everyone asks if there is an OTO. Yes, of course, there's an OTO, but it's not required. The OTO is actually something I'm calling the Mega Pack, and it's a huge, massive offer that I put together that includes 22 more PLR videos, and it also includes an email follow-up series and a behind-the-scenes look at my home office video setup, the equipment I use and stuff like that. And I've also added another bonus in there that you can only see when you actually buy the product and see the OTO page itself. So be on the lookout for that, another unannounced bonus that's in there. So that's the product. So let's quickly talk about the different ways you can use PLR videos like the ones here that I'm offering to you in PLR Video Smackdown version 3. How can you actually use these videos to get clients? The videos might look cool, but what's the sense of buying them if you don't actually put them to use? So let's talk about some ways you can use them. So let's go ahead and just fire up this slideshow here. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is using the videos to create some type of e-course that gets delivered to your website visitors when they opt into your email list. In this case, we're talking about a 5-day e-course, since we've got 5 different videos. It can be a 3-day e-course, a 2-day e-course, 10-day e-course, 20-day e-course, whatever. But for this example, we're going to talk about a 5-day e-course. So the whole idea behind this is to put an opt-in box on your website. Obviously, that's not rocket science. I'm pretty sure you can figure out how to do that. But the enticement or the offer would be, enter your name and email address to get a 5-day e-course learning about the 5 different ways you can use internet, various different forms of internet marketing techniques to grow your offline business or something like that. And the 5 different ways would basically be topics, videos covering the 5 different topics: video marketing, Facebook fan page services, SEO services, all the services that are in the PLR Video Smackdown version 3 product. So day 1, they would perhaps get an email covering video marketing. And in that email, you might want to quickly talk about video marketing and then provide a link back to your website where they can actually watch the video marketing video on a private page on your website. And below that video, there'd be a call to action for them to actually buy that service from you. It could be a PayPal buy now button, or a button that leads to a form where they can get a quote from you, or maybe just to give you a call on the phone. But the idea here is to use the videos to explain the different services that you offer to offline businesses, and basically use them to your advantage to sell to your prospects and turn them into clients. And again, using these to build some type of 5-day mini course or e-course, whatever you want to call it, and basically entering them in an autoresponder series in Aweber and linking them back to your website so clients can see them, and then asking for a direct call to action at the end and below the video. I think that's a great way to use these videos. And again, a call to action below the video. So this works great not only for new website leads, basically cold traffic that comes to your website. You always want to capture that traffic and to build the list. So this not only works great for turning cold website leads into paying clients, but it also works great for turning your existing customers into repeat customers to buy your other services. So let's say you have like 5 clients who've purchased a website from you, a web design service, for example. Let's say you create an existing customer sales funnel in Aweber or GetResponse or MailChimp, whatever you're using, and it's basically an autoresponder series that all your existing customers get entered into, and they basically get educated on your different services automatically. So maybe on week 1, you would teach them about video marketing. And so you'd send them various emails educating them on video marketing. And maybe part of that would be sending them to that PLR video that you're getting in PLR Video Smackdown version 3 about video marketing. So you can send them back to the page where they can learn about video marketing and invest in another service from you. This is a great way to increase the value of a customer. Again, not only getting that one-time sale from them, but getting them to invest in your other services multiple times over. Another way you can use these PLR videos is by spicing up the content on your website. A lot of people have trouble writing the content on the different pages in their website. So if your website is really not converting visitors into actual clients, maybe you need to give these videos a shot, by spicing up your services pages, putting the videos on the different pages that explain your services. So maybe if you have a page that explains your video marketing services, maybe take down that huge write-up you have about all the services you offer and just put up a video with a brief little description below the video and a call to action below the video. And that will most likely increase conversions versus a regular text sales page. Also, if you're using some type of paid traffic and sending that traffic to a landing page, you can use these videos as is on a landing page to convert that traffic into leads and maybe into a paying customer. One thing I want to point out is you can always it's always a good idea to use a text summary below the video. If you're using these videos like I'm telling you here to do, to spice up your services pages, maybe you have a page for video marketing, maybe you have a page for mobile website design, and you have a video, one of these videos on each page, it's always a good idea to have a brief text summary below the video, because some people like to just skim through text instead of actually watching a video. Another thing I want to quickly talk about is using the videos for traffic. You can basically upload the videos as is right to YouTube, optimize them for your local keywords, and then basically when a local business owner is searching for, let's say, a mobile web designer in Orange County, whatever, and you upload one of these videos to YouTube and you optimize it for that keyword, they find your video, they like it, they like what they see, and then you can provide a link back to your website where they can actually contact you and learn more about this service and hopefully become a client. But one thing I want to point out here is YouTube has a new feature called the external link feature, which allows you to provide an annotation in your video that will allow you to link to an external website. So you can actually have an annotation at the end of one of these videos when you upload it to YouTube. Add an annotation at the end of it with a call to action for them to click that annotation, and it can link directly back to a specific page on your website, such as a landing page with a buy now button, or with your phone number there, or a quote form, whatever. So a few other ideas I want to talk about really quickly. These are some ideas that were brought up during the pre-launch for PLR Video Smackdown version 3. A couple people mentioned some really good ideas on how to use these videos, and I wanted to mention a few of them here because there were some great ideas. The first one is using these videos in direct mail campaigns and print advertising campaigns. Some people use direct mail to send people back to a landing page online where they can capture an email address and follow up with that lead over a period of time and hopefully convert them into a paying client. So these videos would be great to drive your direct mail leads back to a landing page where they can watch one of these videos, such as a video on mobile web design, why they need, can educate them on why they need a mobile website, and then there's a call to action at the video for them to actually contact you for that service. You can use these videos as is on your Facebook page, use them in your Facebook advertising, post them on your Facebook wall to your fans, whatever you want. And also another great idea is you can use these videos to actually sell your video marketing or your video creation services. So maybe you don't offer any of these services except for maybe you just offer video creation or video marketing. You can actually use these videos as examples to show your clients the types of videos you can create for them. So you can use them as kind of like a little mini portfolio. And if you don't know how to create these types of videos yet, then you should check out my other product called 30-Minute Web Commercials, and it will show you exactly how to make these videos. But if you already do know how, then you can just use these videos as a portfolio builder. So that's some of the tips I talked about in the pre-launch webinar. Again, I didn't get a chance to record that webinar, so I wanted to quickly recap some of the things I talked about. And hopefully in this video I've answered some questions for you if you're on the fence about PLR Video Smackdown version 3. I again just want to say thanks a lot for helping me make #2 top seller in JVZoo yesterday. I really appreciate it. And hopefully you've got some nice ideas from this video. And again, have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon.